you recently updated your Mac and then are trying to find where your ICC profiles are in Photoshop so that way you can configure your paper to be the exact type of ICC profile that it should be so that you can make proper art prints, you're trying to figure out where it went and you don't know what happened to it, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix this problem. It's actually very easy. I learned how to do this by talking to Epson support, so I thought I would make this video so that way you won't have to wait on the phone for an hour to try to get somebody to tell you how to fix this, because every time I update my Mac, now all of my printers don't ever update properly with the ICC profile. So basically what you have to do is reinstall your printer. But there is one little thing that you have to finesse when you're doing this that's not a standard thing you do when you install to get it to pull up those ICC profiles in Photoshop. And here's how you do it. Go to File, Print. First, I want to show you what it's going to look like if you do not have the ICC profiles on there anymore. And this is probably what you're seeing. See, I have 3 Epson SureColor series printers that I use. Now my P900, it has the printer profiles on here perfectly, right? But if you notice in this huge long list I don't have anything for a P800 or my P6000. And this is what has been happening to me every time I update my Mac. And so I'll go here to my P800. I need to find the correct ICC profile so that way I can make my print and it's not there. So I go to Google, search for the Epson P800 driver. Then you go to the Epson website. Now you'll want to search for whatever model of printer that you have with Epson. I have the P800, so that's what I searched for. Go to Downloads and then select your operating system. There's a whole lot of different ones here. This is what I have. Go to Drivers and then download the latest printer driver. Next, go to your system settings and scroll all the way down to your printers. You're going to remove your printer that does not show up with the correct ICC profiles. You'll also want to quit Photoshop, so that way when you restart it, it will have the correct ICC profiles. You can select the download and just follow the prompts to install like you normally would install a brand new printer. Now you want to go back to your system settings. Make sure that the printer has the power on, because if the power is not on, it will not show up in your Add Printer list. So now I have the power on. I select this. What you want to do, this is the extra step that will ensure that you get these ICC profiles to show up properly in your Photoshop. Go here and select Software. You see how I have this highlighted down here as this old Canon ICC profile? This is the error within the background of the Mac system that is stopping it from showing up properly. So just make sure to select your actual printer that you want to install. And this way it will match the software where it needs to go. And now we should have everything set up correctly. We're going to start Photoshop again. You can see all of the printer profiles are in here. We can select whatever paper we would like. It says SCP-800. So we were able to get the printer profiles back installed on the Mac correctly. Check out this video if you would like to learn more tips about using Photoshop and creating art prints. Thanks for watching.